and Buona Pasqua. Happy Easter and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. Today I'm making for you our traditional Italian dish, Pizza Rustica. So you're thinking, oh my gosh, you're making pizza for Easter? Well, not really. This is what you could call the original deep dish pizza. So Pizza Rustica is a very symbolic dish, especially in southern Italy. We begin by making a beautiful crust. You've seen me make the crust from scratch. And we have an abundance of ingredients that we put inside. Seeing the dish, you can tell how high this is or deep this is. One of the reasons this Pizza Rustica is such a decadent filled dish is because we're celebrating the end of the 40 days of Lent, in which in southern Italy we abstain a great deal from meat. So this is a very rich, hearty dish that everybody loves. We start with a variety of delicious ingredients. We have our Italian sausage, which has been sauteed with garlic and onion. We have sauteed spinach, prosciutto, ricotta, parmigiano, e mozzarella. Absolutely delicious. Very simple to make. After you've made all of your crust and put it in your pan, we're going to take 4 eggs, and to the 4 eggs we just add everything. The sausage with the onions and garlic, the sauteed spinach, the prosciutto, and all the cheeses. We're going to mix all of this up, and then I have a little leftover dough, and I'm going to make a lattice top on top of the Pizza Rustica, and we're going to bake it, and it comes out as a delicious, decadent, cheesy, wonderful way to begin your Easter meal. Now, what we usually do in southern Italy, northern Italy as well, is we begin our Sunday Easter dinner with our Pizza Rustica, and then we follow it by lamb, which is the traditional dish to eat in Italy for Easter Sunday. So the ricotta makes it nice and creamy with the eggs. The parmigiano makes it buttery and rich. The mozzarella has this gooey, stringy consistency. So we will put it in our deep dish pan for the original deep dish pizza, brought to you by, of course, the beautiful island of Sicily and the beautiful city of Naples. Then we'll bake it and cut a gorgeous slice for you. So now my beautiful Pizza Rustica is complete. And what I like to do is after I put the lattice, I always save a little of the dough that I've made for the crust so that I can form a lattice across the top. And I just like to brush it with an egg, not just egg white. I use the whole egg for this. And now on top of the lattice, on the egg, I'm going to put some Parmigiano Reggiano. So the egg is going to get the lattice effect, nice and golden and a little crunchy, with the beautiful Parmigiano on top, which is gonna make it crunchy as well. And it's just a lovely ending for the Pizza Rustica. Look at this magnificent 3 inches of decadence. And this is how we start our Sunday Easter dinner. In the oven it goes. So my Pizza Rustica is fully cooked. It's been in the oven for 1 hour. Look how beautiful that is. It makes such a delicious dish, but also a beautiful presentation at your Easter table. So we have the golden lattice on top. Now what I'm going to do is I like to cook my Pizza Rustica in a springform pan, as you can tell, because it's so easy to open and take off. So now what I'm going to do is just lift this off. I found a springform pan a few years ago with handles, and I just love this because it makes everything so easy. Look at this beautiful dish. You can take it to table on a tray or on a plate right on the bottom of the springform pan and cut it. So now I'm going to cut a piece and show you just how beautiful this is on the inside. Your Pizza Rustica is really a meal in a dish. Of course, at Easter dinner, you follow it with your secondo, but we eat this as our first course. Very filling and delicious. It has your meats and your cheeses and makes such a beautiful presentation. So look at this, comes out perfect every time. Look at that delicious Pizza Rustica. Sausage, prosciutto, 3 types of Italian cheeses, spinach, eggs, wonderful. Perfect beginning to your Easter dinner with your family. So, buon appetito, buona Pasqua, tutti a tavola, ciao ciao.